Welcome to our new update on Range Rover Velar. Range Rover Velar, the epitome of modern luxury and performance. The Range Rover Velar, introduced by Land Rover in 2017, has quickly established itself as a symbol of contemporary luxury and innovative design in the SUV market. Positioned between the smaller Range Rover Evoque and the larger Range Rover Sport, the Velar offers a blend of stylish aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. Let's explore what makes the Range Rover Velar a standout choice for discerning drivers. Exquisite design. From the moment you lay eyes on the Range Rover Velar, its sleek and sophisticated design captivates your attention. The vehicle's clean lines, flush door handles, and elegant proportions reflect Land Rover's commitment to minimalist yet impactful styling. The Velar's silhouette is both aerodynamic and visually striking, embodying a perfect balance between form and function. The Matrix laser LED headlights, a signature feature, not only enhance the vehicle's futuristic appearance but also provide superior visibility. The available aerodynamic package further elevates the Velar's sporty look with unique design elements and finishes. Luxurious interior. Step inside the Velar, and you are greeted by a cabin that exudes opulence and modernity. Premium materials such as Windsor leather, Quadrat premium wool blends, and satin chrome accents create an environment of unparalleled luxury. The minimalist interior design is complemented by two seamlessly integrated 10-inch touch screens, part of the Touch Pro Duo infotainment system, which offer intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The spacious interior ensures that both driver and passengers travel in comfort, with ample legroom and supportive seating. Ambient lighting, customizable in a variety of colors, adds to the serene and elegant atmosphere inside the vehicle. Advanced technology. The Range Rover Velar is equipped with a suite of advanced technologies designed to enhance both convenience and safety. The Touch Pro Duo system, combined with a 12.3-inch interactive driver display, provides a high-resolution, customizable digital interface for all your driving needs. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration ensure seamless connectivity with your smartphone. Innovative driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control with steering assist, blind spot assist, and a 360-degree surround camera system enhance driving confidence and safety. The Velar's Terrain Response 2 system optimizes the vehicle's performance on various surfaces, making it equally adept at city driving and off-road adventures. Exceptional performance. Under the hood, the Range Rover Velar offers a range of powerful and efficient engines to suit different driving preferences. From the responsive turbocharged four-cylinder engines to the robust V6 and V8 options, each powertrain delivers a dynamic driving experience. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures superior traction and stability, while the lighter-weight aluminum architecture contributes to the Velar's agile handling and fuel efficiency. The Velar's adaptive dynamics system continuously monitors vehicle movements and adjusts the suspension settings for optimal ride comfort and control. Whether navigating urban streets or tackling rugged terrains, the Velar provides a smooth and composed ride. Sustainability and innovation. In line with Land Rover's commitment to sustainability, the Range Rover Velar incorporates eco-friendly materials and efficient powertrains. The introduction of mild hybrid (MEF) technology in some models reduces emissions and improves fuel economy without compromising performance. Additionally, the Velar's lighter-weight construction and aerodynamic design contribute to its environmental efficiency, making it a responsible choice for luxury SUV enthusiasts. The Range Rover Velar stands as a testament to Land Rover's ability to innovate and elevate the driving experience. Its striking design, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and exceptional performance make it a top contender in the luxury SUV segment. For those seeking a vehicle that seamlessly blends elegance, capability, and modernity, the Range Rover Velar is an unparalleled choice.